Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a little bit late, it's getting dark. I believe about 7-8 p.m. but we're looking at the Pioneer scooter from the manufacturer Hover-1. So it's a 300 watt brushless motor scooter. The motor is located in the front wheel, and we will unclip right here to take this off, and when it gets up front here, we just lift that up and it snaps into place. Let's see, sorry about the shaky there. So now we have that in place. This is what the scooter looks like. It's got a nice little stand right there, kickstand. The charging port is right there. You can see the cover of the charging port, and the wires are protected by a spring in there for the electric motor up front in the front wheel. And these wheels actually are air filled, so they're not just a whole pancake wheel. So you feel the air right there. That's the valve. And there's a valve also for the rear wheel. Certain things innovative about this scooter: the price point sells for under $200, and it has 2 speed modes. Regular mode will take you up to about, I believe, 8 miles per hour, and then you have the sport mode, which will take you to about 15 miles per hour. Range is about 10 miles, and I really like the construction quality. It's well built. The hand grips, the handlebars are quite comfortable. What the hell, look at this truck. So I really like the build quality. Oh gosh, it's already dark out here. Well, since the phone is still showing it's recording and you guys can see, let's just continue real quick. So to turn it on, you press right here and hold, and it has that nice LED screen. To turn on the headlight, you press twice, and that's what the headlight looks like. It also has a tail light, which you can see there, and then you can see there's an indicator right there for the headlight. When you hit the brakes, which is on the left side, when you hit the brake, you can see what that does. The brake light flashes. Hit the brake, flashes. And it's a disc brake, as you guys can see. You hit it and it flashes. Alright, so for the modes, you have mode 1. Oh, sorry. That's mode 1. And then you have mode 2, which is like a sport mode. I'm still learning my way around this, so pardon me. There, that's the sport mode. I'm doing something wrong there. Okay, and then the headlight, which you guys can see. So yeah, that's what it is like. To get going, you hit the throttle, and then you got to push off with your leg. So push off, and then you hit the throttle, and it shows how fast you're going. The weight limit is 264 pounds. So that's pretty much for it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye.